Hi, it's Fiestaro. Hello, Pisces placement. So, this is your mid-November love reading with advice. Okay? So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. Okay? And yes, don't forget na mag-follow sa atin pong FB page. And, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, message lang po tayo sa atin pong FB page for more info, okay? So, that is Fiesta Row. And, kung want nyo, ay baliktad. Sorry naman. Kung want nyo na magpa-reading sa aking friend, bukas naman siya palagi. Available yan palagi, no? Reach out nyo lang siya sa kanya pong FB page. Ito po yung kanyang FB page. Type nyo lang sa FB, yan, okay? So, and, regarding sa ating bracelet, chararan! O, diba? The all-in-one Evil Eye bracelet. So, protection po yan, no? So, nandito si luck for money. So, nandito si protection. Nandito si health. Nandito si love. And nandito si healing. Okay? So, meron tayong initial para sa name ninyo. Okay? So, for more info, message lang po tayo sa amin pong FB page. Okay? So, and regarding sa ring, yung aking 5 slots, wala pa man, ubos na. Oo, marami nang nagpa-reserve. Okay, so, oo. So, marami pang marami pang nagtatanong. Oo. So, titingnan natin kung pwede pa. Okay, siyempre. Diba? So, let's start. Okay, Pisces. May nag-flip na isa, pero King of Pentacles. Okay, responsibilities. Okay, so, Pisces. Okay. Situation. Excuse me. Okay, anong meron sa situation nyo? The Three of Pentacles and the Hanged Man. Okay. So, parang meron ditong naghihintay na lang kung kailan parang mabubuwag yung connection. Okay? Meron kasi ditong parang sabihin nating a one-sided connection. One is bigay ng effort, yung isa is parang wala lang. Okay? Meron ditong naghihintay. May third party for some of you. May naghihintay na kailan kaya kakalas yung third party or yung someone para mawala or maalis yung sinasabing third party. I don't know kung sino ang pinapaalis na iyon. Okay? Or sino man yung hinihintay or sino yung hinihintay. May hinihintay na mawala doon sa tatlo. Okay? Syempre. Para happy-happy daw. Okay, so tingnan natin. Anong meron sa person na to? The Devil in reverse and the Seven of Wands. So, there's tension. Okay, itong taong to sabihin nating playing safe. Playing safe. Yeah, may Three of Swords sa ilalim. So, meron ditong, may malakas na energy ng third party. Yeah, again, another 3. The Three of Wands in reverse. Someone, meron din ditong gustong umeffort at maayos. Okay? Yung sitwasyon. I think this is nice. Yeah. Meron ditong parang gustong effortan uli yung connection. Like, okay, ititigil ko na tong, if ever, may third party. Ititigil ko na or aalisin na lang yung third party. Meron ding naghihintay dito, kailan kaya mawawala yung third party. So, someone will make an action. Okay? So, may action na agad tayo nakikita rito. Some of you, sa ngayon pa lang meron ng ginagawa. Itong taong ito. They're doing good deeds. Good deeds? Ha? Mema. Okay. Wait lang. So, ano ba talaga ang emosyon niya sa'yo? Pisces, bakit niya to ginagawa? Ay, okay. The King of Swords in reverse. The Justice. Oh, this is nice. Yeah, gusto na nilang gawin or gumawa ng tama sa sitwasyon. Naku, walang makaka-resonate. Meron kaya? Sana. O, 'di ba? This is a new beginning. Someone will make an offer. Okay? A new beginning for some of you. Yes. Okay? May bibitaw na sa third party dito, oh. The Three of Cups, tapos si Page of Wands, meron ng bibitaw dito. Yeah. Or sabihin nating iba rito, may pagsasakripisyo. Yes. This is your energy, the Hanged Man in reverse. Some of you, kung meron mang third party sa inyo, you're just like, sabihin natin going with the flow, hinahayaan mo lang, parang hindi ka na parang maghabol. Nasa sa kanya na dahil alam naman niya kung ano yung tama at mali. Parang ganun. You're just waiting. I don't know if you're just waiting. Okay, pero nandyan ka lang for the person. Pero tong taong to, I guess, gagawa siya ng decision or effort to make things right. To make things, okay, or fix the situation. Okay, so tingnan natin. Maganda to. Yeah. Maaga. Okay. Ano bang next action niya? Anong next action ng taong to? Towards you, Pisces. The Tower in reverse and the Five of... Yeah. Kalimutan na natin lahat ng mga nangyaring hindi magaganda. And magsimula tayong muli. Ay, yeah. The Six of Wands. See? This is goals. This is dreams. Okay? I guess this person is sabihin nating alam niya yung mali. Okay, alam niya yung mali. Yung iba sa inyo, sabihin nating wala pa siyang ganun na kalakas na loob para mag-offer. Pero nandun yung plano. Pero sabihin natin, some of you kasi, napapag-isipan mo pa rin siya na walang mangyayari dito. Yes, walang mangyayari dito. Parang ganun. Yeah, hindi naman kita masisisi dahil nasaktan ka. Anong advice for Pisces? Excuse me. Anong advice for you, Pisces? The Ten of Swords in reverse. Oh, and the Chariot. This is, sabihin nating another chance. Yeah, this is another chance. Yeah, the Page of Chalices. This is forgiveness. Kung kayang balikan or kung kayang ayusin lahat ng dapat ayusin, gawin. Oo. Yeah, and wag hahayaan na parang yung nangyari is nangyari lang. Gawin yung lesson. Okay? Yeah, meron ditong mangyayaring second chances for some of you, Pisces. And nakikita kong magiging maganda ang resulta. Yes, sa maniwala at kaysa hindi. Kung ayaw nyo, wag. Kung gusto mo, i-claim mo. Okay? So, there. So, tayo tumungo na sa all signs. Diba ang aga? Oo. Okay. Yeah. I love the reading. Okay. Ano ba ang meron pagdating sa all signs? Aries, they're stalking you. Taurus, they want to make effort. Gemini, they want you, they like you, they love you. Cancerians, they're like afraid. Leo, some of them merong effort na gagawin. Virgo, they're just like waiting. Libra, their back is turned. Scorpio, a waste of time. Sagittarius, they're guarded. Capricorn, they're afraid. Aquarius, they're waiting. They're just waiting. Pisces, they want to make things right. They want to, sabihin natin, they're open. Okay? Kung gusto makipag-usap, makipag-usap. Parang ganyan. Moving on for some of you. Okay? So there, yun ang ating reading for Pisces placement. So thank you. Bye!